kung pumunta tayo, makinig ka, no? Kung pumunta tayo dun at hindi talaga magkapag-work si Mami, wala na tayong choice kundi umuwi. That's the plan. Now, what can you say? You go back to the Philippines na agad? Tayong tatlo? Or what? Or we try muna to be in another place?
Try to be in another place. Because...
Ikaw, Esa, mag-aaral ka mabuti. Kasi tingnan mo, yung pag-aaral mo, iniintindi natin. Kaya nga tayo pumunta dito eh. Ikaw naman ang main eh.
Trying our best is the best idea.
Okay, we try.
Yeah.
If wala talaga,
then we have
no choice.
We don't give up.
No, we don't give up.
We don't give up.
We will fight and fight.
Yeah. When you don't give up, you can't make anything wrong.
Temporary work.
I just wanted the work to be doubled with you too.
We will work together.
Yeah. If you work together, you can make the money bigger.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Working together makes everything better.
Bak marunong siya, no?
Because when you don't work together and one people only works, then there's gonna be a bit of a problem.
Yeah.
Because we need to double the money in there. When you double the money, double the